guys, so what we're going to do is start with our first scarf. We're going to bring it over our head, pull it to the front, and start rolling downward counterclockwise. After we've rolled it, you're just going to bring it back and start rolling into a circular motion into a knot, sitting right on your hairline. You want to take that excess hair and tuck it into the scarf because you don't want it showing. Next, we're going to get the second scarf and you're going to throw it to the back just like you did the first one and just follow the steps again. Rolling it down, tucking it, and rolling it down counterclockwise all the way down. And then wrapping it around the knot of the first scarf. Tucking as you go any unwanted parts or pieces that you don't want showing. So you just tuck it in. And then tuck that last part in. And that's it. That's it, loves. Until next time, be blessed.